within the testes, deep inside where spermatogonia reside. Meiosis dance its wondrous yo, transforms them all and makes them grow. Sertoli cells, a nurturing hand, guide sperm maturation across the land. Leydig cells with hormones bold, testosterone story bravely told. Birds and bees, birds and bees, these nuts. From seminiferous tubules they flow to epididymis, where they grow and grow. Maturation's path, a journey long, gaining utility where they belong. Vas deferens, a muscular tube, propels them onward swiftly to seminal vesicles, a sugary tide. Fructose provides with sperm inside. Birds and bees, birds and bees, these nuts. Prostate gland, a milky stream, adds enzyme diffing, you know what I mean. Cowper's gland, a pre-ejaculate flow, lubricates well, so you know. Urethra's path, a final race, ejaculation, a swift embrace. A symphony of glands unite, semen released, a bird